Mehtaji, you can unmute yourself. I can see you're logged in from 2 devices. Mehtaji? Mehta Enterprises. Welcome, Mr. Gopal.
Sir.
Sir, are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Namaste,
sir.
Gopal. Namaste, Itraj, sir.
Yes, namaste. Now I'm able to hear. Now we are able to hear you, Dr. Sripati.
Yeah, there's some network problem, I think.
Yeah.
This is one nuisance, they are not able to really control.
I know
For all
until
online sessions.
yeah.
Many online sessions,
Correct. No, I mean I have got 4 backups right now in case
I have
anything
two backups,
happens.
The hotspot and things like that, yeah.
Hmm.
Namaste, sir.
Namaskar, sir.
Shivaram ji, namaste.
Yes, finally we can see Shivramji.
Yes.
Gopal ji, namaskar.
Shankar ji. Namaskar. Shankar ji.
Namaskar,
Shivam,
namaskar.
Pushpa ji.
It is a privilege to have you this evening while your hectic closing schedule is happening, or is you are done with it?
Yeah, today morning 2:30 the results were announced.
Oh, wow,
Okay.
fantastic.
What closing?
It's a quadrant for us. November 30th is a quadrant. I work
Okay.
for Oracle, so it's May. It's a June to May is the year. So
Oh,
November is a quarter close, and in a record 10 days time we publish the financial results.
okay.
Sir, I'll just add to what, we are very privileged to have the blessing and the support from Mr. Gopal Ramanan. He is the financial controller for Oracle. He supports the JPAC about 18 countries. Plus also he has some unique tasks. Countries.
Okay.
So that is the task he has finished. So, and he's still here. So while he is still in the corporate job, he supports us for running this forum every now and then as and when required from outside.
Awesome.
small way.
Awesome.
So he is not part of our core team in paper.
Officially.
But,
Officially.
yes,
But he is in the core team. Yeah.
He's always there by spirit.
Awesome. Is Mr. Mehta or Mehta Enterprise also part of the core team?
No.
Okay.
Maybe an outside participant.
No, that's okay. That's fine. But because he's there from even before I joined.
Yes.
Yeah. So and he's logged in from 2 devices, but he's not even answering. So I don't know who is he.
No, he was busy with some calls when I joined also.
No problem.
But
Welcome,
he has
Mr.
joined
Saravanan.
on
Mr. Saravanan is here. Nimit Nair is here.
So, Saravanan ji, good afternoon.
A joyous afternoon to you all.
Thank you. I'm looking for a way to make you a co-host. I'm not able to find it.
Sir, you may have to click under my name.
I tried that. I have tried that.
We have we have 2 technical experts,
Yeah.
Gopal Ramanan sir.
So whom you want to make it co-host? I think
Mr. Shankar.
Shankar is the host now.
Oh, Shankar is the host.
Oh,
All
you are
right.
a
So he has
co-host.
to make me the host now. That is
Yeah.
why for everybody, I'm able to make a co-host except for Shankar.
He is the host.
He is the host. Okay. All right.
Now I given that privilege back to you, sir.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's fine. That's great. Let me see if I can make you a co-host now. Yes. All right. Now I am making you a co-host. Shankarji.
Fantastic. I'm a co-host now.
Okay. The reason is because in case there is any connection problem, automatically you'll be able to handle it. Who
Right,
said that
just,
Shankarji is a host? Who informed?
Gopal
Okay,
Raman.
all right, Gopalji. Okay, all right.
He is our digital expert, sir.
Sir, he's in Oracle and at
have
in a
to.
financial controller level, he has to be.
he's more than
No,
a
in
finance
fact,
person.
he does it more by passion.
Yeah.
We had a wonderful session on digital marketing with Gopal.
Oh, I see. I missed it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So,
Mr. Saravanan.
apart from a speaker for this evening, Mr. Yetiraj sir has agreed to join our forum also. We are privileged to have such a wonderful experienced person with more than 40 years of experience. He has consented to be part of our forum. So this is a great privilege, sir, for all of us.
In fact, I am honored to be a part of this. Just give me 1 second. Huh? Just give me 1 second.
Take your time, sir.
Yeah. I forgot something important. I forgot to switch on the backup. Cover. Sorry, what do you call it? The power.
Oh.
So in case, in between the laptop goes down. Welcome, Mr. Tarun. Mr. Tarun, you can unmute yourself. Only till we start.
Sir, good evening. Pleasure talking to you.
Very big pleasure. I saw your message, so I was so excited.
Yeah.
Arunji, namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
You know Tarunji, Shankarji?
Yes, he's also part of our forum.
Okay, good. Fantastic. Welcome, Mr. Shripad. Welcome, Mr. Sri Krishna. Welcome, Mr. Nimit Nair. Anybody who wants to unmute themselves, they can right now till we start the program.
Thanks for the Shagaraji. Glad to be here.
Yes, nice, Mr. Nimit. What do you do, Mr. Nimit?
I'm a tax consultant, sir.
Sorry?
Tax consultant and
Tax
into
consultant,
personal
okay.
finance.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm into personal finance as well. Yeah.
All right. Great. What do you do, Mr. Tarun?
So I am a startup and I'm coming into edible oil projects and all.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. And what about
He's
Shripad?
He's operating from Noida. He is in the process of setting up the edible oil manufacturing facility and setting up a distribution across India. And he is very excited to attend to your this
Sure.
training session.
Very good. Very good. I have seen Jalpa's name somewhere.
Yeah.
I think Jalpa, are you with me on WhatsApp somewhere? So we have 10 more minutes. Can we have a quick introduction of everybody who is not introduced? Because I'm sure Shankarji knows everybody, Shivramji knows everybody. Okay, but I don't know most of you. Even I don't know Saravanan.
We have a good number of participants from outside also.
Okay.
Yes, it makes sense. We can utilize the next 7-8 minutes for introduction.
Who would like to introduce themselves?
They can break the silence of the others.
Yep.
Gopal Ramanan, and having the pleasure of working with all the like-minded team here, like Mr. Shivramji, Sripati ji, and Shankarji, all the 3 years. And happy. I'm basically having a background in finance and accounting and management. So currently working with Oracle as a the regional financial controller for the Asia Pacific region, managing the finance and handle global finance portfolios like a global audit and all those engagements at a finance level. I saw
Awesome.
you are from Fomra school, so my roots are, my grandfather is from Hindu Theosophical School, so he was a headmaster
Okay.
there.
All right. Okay, that is in Chennai, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. I mean, and I was staying very close to Hindu Theosophical. Mint Street.
Yeah.
Good. So welcome, Mr. Gopal. And can we have the introduction of other people if they'd like to?
Yeah, myself, Saranan Radhakrishnan. I'm running a couple of academies. One is Vedru Life LLP. This is
Sorry.
meant
Can
for
you repeat that?
Vedru.
Sorry?
Vedru. Veduru.
Okay.
Vedru.
Vedru.
Its biological name is bamboo.
Bamboo. Okay. All right. I give the example of bamboo tree many times. Yeah.
And it's an acronym, and it is to coin the vision of value engineering, deliver ultimate results unlimited.
Wow. Awesome. So what do you do?
I'm having basically 25 years of manufacturing operations expertise.
Of what tea?
25 plus years. Manufacturing and engineering and manufacturing management. I'm basically an operations professional.
Okay, so what do you manufacture?
I work for the organizations, including Toyota and then specialty engineering of Smiths Group. So now I am into venturing to build a community of Vedru community to help 3 million people to build their career and power the success destiny for their career aspirations.
Can we see your face? If it's possible for you to start your video or something. Yes.
The lights may be reflecting from the background, so
that's
the
okay.
reason.
At least we can see your face. We can connect.
So
awesome. Good.
Another academy in the name of Zypel Academy. This is meant for business automation.
Okay.
For the people who wanted to get connected with the business system of ERP in the domain, as well as having an IoT Industry 4 and Industry 5 and simple automation, robots and cobots connected to your business system and leveraging for the digitization of your entire business on your fingertips, having control and steering of your business anywhere in the world. Having said that, we are also running some programs for the students, overall aspirants to become a masters in the business automation space. We are connecting with the internship in real-time industry. So that's what 2 academies I am running into.
Fantastic. Shankarji, I'll hand over to you. You take charge until we start.
Sure. Sir, we have another 4 minutes to go. We will get started sharp at 4.
Yeah. So until that time, whoever you want to invite.
Yes. We have 22 participants. Those who are not introduced, this is a great opportunity to interact with the for next 2-3 minutes.
So my suggestion will be just make it 1 or 2 lines.
Yes. Mr. Sheshadri, would you like to go for an introduction? Mr. Ram Kumar, Mr. Ravindran.
Hello. Yes, sir. I am Ravindran from Bharat Packaging, Hosur.
Excellent.
So we are a small organization. So we want to learn, something more from you people. So I joined this program. Thank you for the invitation.
So what do you do, Mr. Ravindran? What do you do?
We are into manufacturing corrugated box.
No, I'm talking about you personally.
No, we are
Bharat
running
Packaging.
corrugated.
Yeah.
We are a unit running corrugated boxes, and I own the company.
Oh, you own the company. Okay.
Yeah, I am already 40 years experience
Super.
in various fields, like 25 years in corrugation and 15 years worked abroad. So we want to see at this difficult time how we can improve our profit.
Super.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello.
Mr. Sri Krishna,
Yeah.
would you like to go for intro?
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shri Krishna. I am from Triada Technologies, Bangalore. We are actually into hydraulic seals.
And your hydraulic are used for what purpose?
Yeah, we have this, applications in fluid power segment, automotive, aerospace. Almost every segment we have application actually.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. And Saravanan, who is one of the participants, we were colleagues in Toyota earlier.
Oh,
World is small.
The Bidadi plant. You were there at Bidadi plant?
Bidadi plant, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. One of my friend was there in Baliga.
Okay.
Baligar.
Mr. Badi guys. Okay.
No, Baligar.
Badigar. Okay. I'm not
He
sure
was
because
in
it's a big team.
No, he was heading production on one of the lines.
Yeah.
Sir, we will do one more introduction. Our one more core team member, Shankaramurthy sir. He's a cluster expert with domain experience of more than 3 decades. So Shankaramurthy sir, would you like to go for a self-intro?
Shankaramurthy sir.
I can see. Shankaramurthy sir, you will have to unmute yourself. By default, you are muted.
Okay, we are.
Mr. Sri Krishna, just small information for you that I follow TPS only in many places.
Okay.
I was trained in Japan on TQM.
Oh.
Way back in 87, 89. And I went there to one of the companies, Seiko Epson Corporation. And we brought in I learned a lot on Japanese manufacturing technologies and things like that.
Interesting, sir.
Okay. And very interesting. In fact, I would like to talk to you sometime and interact with you at least on.
So,
Sure.
sir,
My pleasure.
we will get started. We are just .4. First of all, I would appreciate each one of you taking out time from your busy schedule and joining this meeting. About 129 participants, when I looked at the total registration, we had 129 people registered for this event. At this point, we have more than 25 participants who have joined. And while we are expecting definitely few more to join while we get started. In the interest of time, we will get started now. What with